Look at how dirty Huxley's sock got. Honestly, I don't know how it gets this dirty, but it does. So this is how I clean it. I like to take it off the sensor and take this part off. And then you see that the light's on. So what you have to do is unplug it. And then once you unplug it, there's a button in the back. You're gonna hold that down. So hold it down while you're plugging it in. And what you're waiting for is 4 chirps, and then it's gonna turn orange. Once you see the orange light, click it once. And now it's turned off. You can tell that it's off because the light on the sock is gone. Now it's time to clean your sock. So I just use the same detergent that I use to wash his clothes. I fill it up with water and get it nice and soapy. I use an old toothbrush to scrub the sock. Now all you have to do is scrub your sock clean. I don't recommend you throwing your sock in the washing machine just because it might come apart. Plus, this is an easy process. You don't have to do it every day. You just have to make sure you do it at least every 2 weeks. If you're cleaning the sensor part, make sure you're extra gentle when you're going over the sensor. You don't want to disrupt anything. Plus, you don't want to soak it too much and then it doesn't work right. Huxley's had this sock for a little over 9 months now, and it's never had any issues after I cleaned it. Make sure you clean your sock because you don't want to give your baby a rash on their cute little feet. And look at that, nice and clean. Just in case you forget, the Owlet app also reminds you if you cleaned your sock. And then I just wipe it down with a wet rag, or as you can tell, just a wet napkin. And then I just air dry it after. Let it air dry for a couple hours, and then don't forget about it because you need to charge it. Super simple. All you have to do is put it back together after it's dry. You just have to make sure you snap it back in place. The light is still off. Push that sensor gently through that little hole. Now all you have to do is just put it right on the charging station. Once you see that red light, you know that your sock is on, and then boom, you see that blue light. Now it's all connected. I hope that helped.